We're going to do an unboxing. I bought a Lars Falt slip joint from Natural Man. Just arrived from England, ended up in Northern Ireland and back into Cornwall. So I received it a day late from Royal Mail, but at least it's here. So let's see. Now, I've owned a Casstrom before, the number 10. It was a brilliant bushcraft knife. And someone managed to prize it from me, and I regretted it. And with the law being the way it is, I do like to carry a knife. So this is going to have to be the one. Yeah, so I got the slip joint and the leather folder, the pouch. So look at the pouch. This is made by Casstrom. Yeah, it looks quality. Yeah, very nice. Good heavy stitching. Nice and sturdy. Nice stamp on the back. Casstrom. Yeah. Let's get with opening the knife, eh? There you go. Nice tidy little box. Straight in the bin for that. Oh, very nice. Look at that curly birch. That is stunning. That looks stunning. First impressions, very good. Very nice. Signature on there, Lars Falt. No. So that's, it's very positive, yeah. It comes to a stop there, and then, yeah. That feels lovely in the hand, very nice. And straight out the box, got quite an edge. Yeah, quite an edge. So he's thinking of buying one of these as an everyday carry. I wouldn't hesitate. It's a beautiful bit of kit. Yeah, it was very well made. Yeah. Well, I'm going to give it a linseed oil on the scales. Yeah, it's going straight on my belt. There you go, guys.